Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making samosa wrap. So we are going to be making the dough method, the one that you can keep inside your freezer for months, weeks. When you are using it, it will not break, it will not scatter. The one you can preserve. That is what we are making today. On my bowl I have 3 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. That is the 2 ingredients we are going to be using. So I'm going to be using 1 cup of water, but I will be adding it bit by bit until I achieve the dough that I want. So I use 1 cup of water for these 3 cups of flour. So watch guys. So I've gotten the consistency I want. So I'll be kneading it for 2 minutes. Then keep it to rest for 2 minutes before working on it. So here is vegetable oil and flour that I'll be using for this dough. So after 2 minutes, so I'll cut it into 2 equal parts and keep the other part aside and work with one first. So this one I'll be stretching it out with my rolling pin. You can see the thickness. So I'll be using bowl to cut it out. I'll be cutting out 4 round shape from this half dough. So I'm done cutting it out. So I'll carry each one, rub the vegetable oil on it, then sprinkle some flour on the surface. You can see the way I'm doing it. Then put another one on top. Rub vegetable oil, sprinkle some flour. That is how I'll continue to do it. You can do 5 at once, 8 at once, but I'm trying to do 4 here for beginners. Just have to start with 4 so that they will not gum together and you won't be able to remove them when you are done. Always make sure the up one is a little bit wider. So I use my palm to press it down before using the rolling pin. And when you are stretching it out, make sure you are turning it over so that the under part will not be smaller than the other ones you see. You have to turn it and stretch it out. Even though all of them will not come out the same, but at least they will be closer. can see the way I'm still stretching it. You don't have to use all your force, just gently you'll get it. I'm done now. My pan is already heated. I'll put it in. When you put it on fire, this process doesn't take you 3 minutes. You can see if the bubble is coming up, that means that side is ready. So you flip it over to the other side. Be careful because it's hot. So I flip it over. You see the bubble coming up again. You see it? That means it's ready. We'll bring it down. First thing I do is to cut a round shape, because when I was stretching it, I wasn't able to get that round shape. So I'll cut this excess edge away. This excess edge is not a waste. Me, I like it. I always fry it. It's like a cracker biscuit to me, so I don't waste it. You see that we have our round shape now. So I'm going to cut this into 4 equal parts. From that four ball doughs, we'll have 16 wrap. So we'll have 16 wrap from here. So I'll be opening them. Just be gentle with it. You can allow it to cool down a little bit, but you'll cover it with your kitchen towel so that it will not dry out. So I'm trying to show it now. See the way I'm gentle with it. You don't have to be hard with it. Just be gentle. Open it. That is all, guys. So you can do this process, keep it down, do the other dough until you are done with everything before you start opening it. So you see, this is the first set, but you have to cover it so that it will not dry out. So the second dough, I'm going to cut it into 4 equal parts. I will not use bowl to cut this one out. I'll just roll it into ball and start stretching it one by one. So it's another process again. Anyone you feel like doing, anyone you're comfortable doing. So it's still the same thing we are going to be doing. After rolling all the whole 4 out, I'll bring it one after the other. Rub oil, dust some flour on the surface, place it on each other, then press it down with my palm and roll it out. Same way we did the first one. But this one will always come a little bit wider than the first one. I used to use this for my spring roll and the other first process for my samosa, but you can use any method you want. I just try to show the two in this video. See the way I'm stretching it. I'm not using force, just be gentle with it. Turn it over so that the both face can stretch out. So I'm done now. I'll be putting it on my pan again. My pan is hot. Then put it on fire for 2 minutes and we are done. So here it is. So I cut it round again, then cut it into 4 equal parts, and we have 16 here. That means from our 3 cups of flour we have 32 samosa or spring roll wrap. Just be gentle with it. If you rub in your vegetable oil very well and the flour, it will be very easy for you to open when you are opening it. You see how it is? Just be gentle with it. Don't force it. If you force it, it will tear. Just be gentle and open it. You see then here, I'm done making the dough, so I'll be bringing in the filling to show how I wrap it. The filling process is going to be another video. I'm going to show you how I make my samosa filling, the vegetable and beef filling. So that is my paste that I'll be using. I'm wrapping the samosa here. You see, it's a triangle form. I'll carry the first edge and make a cone at the end, then rub in the paste. It's very easy. This process is very easy to roll. It's not a hard one. You see the way I'm doing it. Take it back to it. You see the cone at the edge that I'm pressing down. You see, it's in form of a cone now. Just put in your filling, then tuck it in. Then rub in the paste and seal it up. You can see it's very easy. I'm going to still do another one. You see the way I take it, just hold it that way, rub in the paste, then cover it up. You see, 1 teaspoon of filling is okay for you, because too much of it won't close very well. Then tuck it in again. And cover it up. That is all, guys. It's very easy, and this process is very easy. You see the way I'm taking it. If you are constant with it and you are doing it all the time, you see that it's a very, not that easy, but it's a very easy process. So keep on doing it and you will get it. You see. To wrap it this way is very easy. Just make a cone under, put in the filling, then cover it up. That is all. That is it for samosa. So we are going to be wrapping the spring roll with this shape. You see, and bring that side, each side in, hold it tight and roll it. That is all. Make sure it's tight. That is it, guys. If you have watched to this extent, kindly hit the like button. If you are new here and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. You see, it's not that hard, that is all. So I don't want this video, I know it's already long, I don't want it to be too long, so I'll be making the filling on another video. My next video will be about the filling. So here is my lid that I'll be using to pack it. I usually pack this 10-10 inside freezer and sell raw like this. I fry, then I sell raw like this. Even the back, you can sell it as well. You pack it by 50 inside leather and sell it. People used to buy samosa wrap too. So here is me trying to fry the one that we make. This is after 3 days I'm frying it. Now you see how fresh it is. So guys, thank you for your support. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. See you all in my next one. Bye.